We're back at it. We're in the Napa Valley. We're stripping some Saltillo stairs. Purpose of the video is we are stripping, but today is just a real super educational video, and it's a lot of prepping you guys for stuff that you don't want to have happen to you, whether it be now or later. So basically, this particular customer bought this house 5 years ago, but she inherited all these tiles. So before she got it, people did stuff to it that's kind of out of her control and out of our control. But now that we're stripping it and we're doing our thing, it's all starting to get real obvious. You know, the stuff that they did. Now the stuff that they did, if you come up here, I'm going to show you guys exactly what they did and the downfall of it. And this is happening all over the country, all over the world. So what I need you guys to do, and I'm going to get the camera in here. See these swirl marks right here? Is that showing up good on the camera? See that? See these swirl marks all right here? See all this? Well, they sanded all the sealer off these tiles some years ago, okay? Now, if you look right here, the surface is starting to come off. So what happened is they sanded off the surface, and these are like French bread, okay, you guys? They have a hard, crusty layer, soft clay in the middle. So they sanded and it looked great, but now that 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years have gone by, they sanded off and they what's the word I'm looking for? The integrity of the tile, okay? They damaged the integrity of it. So they sanded off the crusty layer down into the clay. So now what's happening is it's starting to deteriorate. See that? Now they get down to the soft clay. And if you look, the whole stairs are starting to do it because they sanded them so bad. Here's another really good one right here. See this right here? It's starting to shale. See all that? That's all because they sanded it. And if you look right here, there's more sanding. If you get close on every single stair, you could see, a lot of the sanding marks, and that's what they did. So now they're basically starting to fall apart, people. So these guys are going to convince you to sand your shit, but they're not going to tell you that 5, 10 years from now, once it starts to get wet and used and walked on, it's going to start to get the water damage. So now, here we are through this job. Lady's remodeling the house. Does she really want to rip out these stairs? I mean, how much would it cost to rip out these stairs and replace them? 10 grand? 15 grand? So that's the part that kind of is a bummer on this particular project because I'm giving her everything I can. I mean, I'm going to strip them, clean them, but I can't replace damage. That's what I'm saying. So somebody got paid to ruin these floors, and that's what you guys... Exactly, to the point where they cry.
Look at that.
Yeah.
All the swirls.
No, that's what I'm saying. You can see all the swirls, and then see right here, guys? See out here, people? See this yellow here along the edge? This tile was supposed to be yellow. They sanded it through the crusty yellow into the soft clay. They did it to all of it. Like, see this yellow one? It should be yellow like this. But they sanded the yellow off. But listen to me, people. Don't sand them. Palm sand them. The stuff they used to do them wooden hardwood floors. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm a machine expert because I am the machine. I don't use machines. So I'm not sure what they did. I'm assuming it was some kind of round little disc because that's what it looks like. It looks like little swirls. Listen to me. I'm trying to be serious. That's my serious look. Don't fucking sand them, all right? If you sand them, it's your fault. You're an idiot. So anyway, though, I got to get some work done. Bye. Have a good day, people.
That face was funny. But, hey,